Hi everyone. Last class we have seen the value of the game. The value of the game is calculated by saddle point. That saddle point is given by max mini is equal to minimax. Suppose max mini is not equal to minimax means we have to come with mixed strategy formula. Then only we have to come with the value of the game. So game without saddle point, mixed strategies. Formula is let the payoff matrix corresponding to 2 by 2 2% zero sum game for player AB. Player A, A1, A2, B1, B2, that is A11, A12, A21, A22. Like this 2 by 2 matrix is given means we have the formula V is equal to A11 A22 minus A12 A21, that is the numerator is the determinant formula A11 A22 minus A21 A12 divided by lambda. Lambda value is calculated by A11 plus A22 minus of in bracket you have to write A12 plus A21. Here P1 value is calculated by A22 minus A21 divided by lambda. Here P1 is depends upon the second row. Here you have to clear about this only second row. Second row you have to calculate it by P1 A22 minus A21 divided by lambda. P2 value is corresponds to P1 1 minus P1. Similarly Q2 is equal to A22 minus A12. This will belongs to second column. For second column A22 minus A12, that will be in the numerator form, divided by lambda is as it is. For Q2 value is calculated by 1 minus Q1. This is your mixed strategy formula. This formula is applicable only the given matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. So in this class we are going to see only the 2 by 2 matrix. The next class we are going to see, suppose the matrix will be 3 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 matrix means you have to use the dominance property to reduce your matrix by 2 by 2. After that only we have to come with this formula. So in this class we are going to see only 2 by 2 matrix. So no bother about this. You have to come here. The next will be the optimum mixed strategies are. Suppose in the question we have optimum mixed strategy means you have to write like this. Yes, A is equal to A1, A2, that is a player A, A1, A2 will be as it is. Here we have to write the value of P1, P2. In problem, you are calculating the values P1, P2. So you have to write, suppose P1 value will be 1 by 2, P2 is also 1 by 2 means your optimum mixed strategy VSC is equal to A1, A2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Similarly, you have to write CSB, B1, B2, Q1, Q2. So now we have to come with the first problem. The problem is solve the following 2 by 2 game. Player A, A1, A2, B1, B2 is also given. Player B value is also given. The values are 6, minus 3, 0. So the solution is as it is. First you have to come with row minimum and column maximum value. Find out the saddle point. Suppose you can't get the saddle point means we have to come with the mixed strategy formula. So here you have to find out row minimum means for the first row minus 3, second row minus 3. Column maximum means first column 6, second column is 0. So row minimum is equal to minus 3, minus 3. So maximum of row minimum value is minus 3. Minimum of column maximum value will be 0. So minus 3 is not equal to 0. So max mini is not equal to minimax. Therefore, there is no saddle point. In this case, we can use the mixed strategy formula. So first you have to write the formula. That is better for you. So here we have to write the values of A11, A12, A21, A22. Before finding the value of the game, you have to find out the value of lambda because you have to substitute the value of lambda in V. So lambda is equal to, lambda formula is A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So substitute the values 6 plus 0 minus of minus 3 minus 3. So minus 3 is minus 6. So minus of minus will be plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So your lambda value will be 12. So next we have to find out the P1 value. P1 value is calculated by second row using second row value A22 minus A21 divided by lambda. A22 value will be 0, A21 value will be minus 3. So in between we have one minus, so minus of minus will be plus. So 3 by 12 that is equal to 1 by 4. So P1 is equal to 1 by 4. So you have to calculate the value of P2 means 1 minus P1. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So you have to take the LCM for 4 means 4 minus 1 is in the numerator. So 3 by 4 is your P2. For your check, we have to find the value of P1 plus P2 value will be 1. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. This is for your checking, that's all. Q1 value will be belongs to the second column, that is A22 minus A12 divided by lambda. So here that is also 0 minus of minus 3 divided by 12. So minus into minus will be plus. So 3 divided by 12, that is also 1 by 4. So Q1 value is 1 by 4 means Q2 is 1 minus Q1. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So 4 is your LCM means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That is 3 by 4 is your Q2. Finally, we have to come with the V value. That V is A11 A22 minus A12 into A21 divided by lambda. So substitute the value 6 into 0 minus 3 into minus 3 divided by 12. So any value you have to multiply with 0 means 0. So 6 into 0 is 0. Minus will be as it is. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. So minus 9 divided by 12 is your value of the game. So you have to simplify this. V is equal to minus 3 by 4. So here the same procedure for the previous class. You have to find out the row minimum and column maximum. Suppose these two are not equal means we have to come with the formula for mixed strategies. The second problem is to solve the following 2 by 2 game. Here the formula is the problem is 5 1 3 4. So row minima is first row is 1, second row is 3, column maxima first column 5, second column 4. So here the maximum of row minimum is maximum of 1 comma 3 is 3, minimum of 5 comma 4 is 4. So 3 is not equal to 4. So minimax is not equal to max mini. There is no saddle point. So we have to come with the mixed strategy formula. So we have to substitute what is the values of A11, A12, A21, A22. The lambda value will be A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So 5 plus 4 minus of 1 plus 3. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So lambda value will be 5. So find the value of P1, that is equal to A22 minus A21 divided by lambda, that is equal to 4 minus 3 divided by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. So P1 value will be 1 by 5 means P2 is equal to 1 minus P1. So 1 minus 1 by 5. So 5 is your LCM means 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4 by 5. So P2 value is equal to 4 by 5. Q1 is equal to A22 minus A12 divided by lambda, that is equal to 4 minus 1 divided by 5, that is equal to 3 by 5. So Q1 is equal to 3 by 5 means Q2 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. So the next we have to find out V value. V is equal to A11 A22 minus A12 A21 divided by lambda. So 5 into 4 minus 1 into 3 divided by 5. 20 minus 3 divided by 5, that is 17 by 5. That is your value of the game. After finishing your solution, you have to write all the values in the one box means that will be easiest for the correction. So V is equal to 17 by 5. P1 is equal to 1 by 5. P2 is equal to 4 by 5. Q1 is equal to 3 by 5. Q2 is equal to 2 by 5. And lambda is equal to 5. All these values you have to write and put in a box means that is very easiest for the correction. I will give one homework sum. This homework sum is in the sentence form. I will explain you how to create a matrix using this. In a game of matching wins, player A wins ₹2 if there are 2 heads wins. That means there are 2 heads means we have to write ₹2. Nothing if there are 2 tails, that means 0. 2 tails are means that is 0. And loss is ₹1 when there is 1 head and 1 tail. So 1 head or 1 tail means you have to put -1. Determine the payoff matrix and the value of the game. So player A, player B, you have to write head and tail and head and tail. 2 heads are means you have to put rupees 2. 1 tail and 1 head means you have to put rupees 1. So in the first row, the second element is head and tail. So that would be minus 1. In the second row, first element is tail and head. So you have to put minus 1. The second row, second element is tail and tail. So nothing if there are 2 tails means you have to put 0. So using this matrix, you have to find out the value of the game. I give answer also. Lambda value will be 4. Q1 and P1 is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. P2 and Q2 is 3 by 4. Value of the game is minus 1 by 4. Try to do this. If you have any doubts, ask me. Thank you.